Welcome, ticketing wizards and event enthusiasts. Today, we're unlocking the secret to creating urgency when selling tickets to ensure a sellout at your next event. Whether you're hosting a rocking concert or a spectacular theatre show, these 4 tips will have attendees rushing to secure their spot. Now, before we get started, a quick introduction. I'm Chloe, part of the support team here at TicketSource. TicketSource is a free and easy to use online ticketing platform that comes with fast and friendly support should you need it. If you have an event coming up and are looking for a stress and cost-free way to sell your tickets, then click the link in the description below to try out our system completely for free. Now, on with the video. Tip number 1. The Countdown Conjurer. To create urgency when selling tickets, nothing gets the heart pounding like a good old-fashioned countdown. Utilize a visible ticking clock on your website or social media posts to show them how the days for getting their tickets are ticketing away. Alternatively, doing something as simple as giving regular updates on how many days are left to purchase on your social media posts will have a similar effect. You see, it's not just a countdown, it's a magical race against the clock, and if you snooze, you might lose your ticket. Tip number 2, the Scarcity Sorcerer. Highlight the scarcity of tickets remaining to create a frenzy of excitement. Use visuals like bar graphs or a ticket selling fast banner. When customers see that tickets are vanishing quicker than a magician's assistant, they'll want to act quickly before they disappear entirely. Tip number 3, the flash sale. Offer irresistible discounts for a limited time only to inspire people to purchase tickets for your next event. A flash sale is like a burst of flame that sparks urgency and ignites excitement. Your attendees will be waving their credit cards to get their discounted tickets before the sale ends. Tip number 4, the early bird offer. When it comes to events, the early bird catches the best seats. Offering exclusive early bird tickets with special perks like front row seats or VIP access is a surefire way to boost your ticket sales. These special tickets are like golden feathers, and your attendees will want to soar to the event in style. And there you have it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more valuable content. And if you're looking for more hints and tips for selling tickets, you can click here for the next video. Thanks for watching.